Layn Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. So you made it to the end of the year. End of year Turo review for any new Turo hosts or veteran Turo hosts, or even if you're all-star host or power host. You have to think about all the mistakes that have been made and what not to do. I run a Layn Turo University Facebook group, and I hear a lot of mistakes daily. And I'm in the Reddit threads, and I answer a lot of questions. And some of the most common mistakes, I'm gonna list 5 of them. Number 1, not taking enough pictures. If you don't take enough pictures of inside and outside your car, what this essentially does is, if your car goes through a claim, if you go through a situation where say someone smokes in your car, or at least some type of trash in your car, and you try to actually make a claim or file or get reimbursed or get some type of fee penalization from them, it's hard to do this because you have no proof. First mistake that you made. Second mistake you make is not filing your claim within 24 hours. If you wait after that time period, you can actually lose out on your claim. So as soon as you find out there's damage, immediately report it to Turo immediately. Don't make that mistake. The next mistake that a lot of people make is gray market transactions, not maybe knowing this or maybe knowing this, taking money or items from a guest. Don't take it, leave it there, report it to Turo, and that's it. Now if Turo says, hey, take it, okay, whatever, Turo told you that, but I wouldn't recommend that. If someone wants to pay you money, say no, there's a gray market transaction. If this is a gray market transaction, I'm not allowed to take this money. It's under the table, I can't take it. If they have proof that they gave you money by sending it to your account or paying you and recording you not knowing and report on you, they might use this to try to get a refund. They might try to use this to get you in trouble. They might use this to, because they're mad at you one day, maybe they'll hold that against you and they're a guest. You never know. You don't want to open yourself up for any type of liability. Big mistake. Fourth mistake that people make, not understanding their Turo insurance plan. Don't just pick an insurance plan and that's it. Understand what it does. The Turo 60, there's $0 deductible. It's basically the highest tier you could possibly get. Absolute protection. No deductible you have to pay. So even if your car's total, no deductible you have to pay. And you get paid all these really cool benefits like rental car payout. You also get paid for loss of earnings, etc. So you want to understand that. But for every 60% of a dollar, you're earning 60%. For every dollar, Turo's earning 40%. If the Turo 75, you're earning 75% of every dollar. Turo's earning 25% of every dollar. But there's a $250 deductible, and you want to understand that. You want to understand the Turo 80. There's a $750 deductible, but there's a split where you earn 80% of every dollar. Turo earns a 20% of every dollar. Then the Turo 85, there's a $1,625, which is a $1,625 deductible, but you earn 85%. You earn more of every dollar. Turo earns 50% of every dollar. And then Turo 90, one I'm on currently that I personally love, is the Turo 90, where I earn 90% of every dollar, and Turo earns 10% of every dollar, but there's a $2,500 deductible. And even though that might be steep, understand that I'd rather pay a $2,500 deductible, because in the long run, having a Turo 60, the 75, and 80, in my personal opinion, you lose a lot of money. But that's my own personal opinion. I feel the amount of money that I'll be paying with insuring with Turo, I could save that into a $2,500 deductible and earn 90%. And that's my theory behind that. And what I essentially like to do to even make it easier for myself is I'll add my car on the Turo 60 at first when I purchase a new car. Or if you're a new Turo host, you can add your car on the Turo 60, keep it on there until you earn a $250 deductible, and then you move it up to the next level. Now you earn $250 for the next deductible for the Turo 75. Now you're on a Turo 75. Now you earn 75%. You just gave yourself 50% boost, but now you're earning more money, and now you can save $750 for the next deductible. So now you move up to the Turo 80, and now you're earning 80%. You just gave yourself a 5% income boost, but now you have a bigger deductible at $750 deductible, but now you already have it. So now you're saving for $1,625. Then you move up to the Turo 85. Now you did give yourself an additional 5% compounded interest on interest, and now you're earning more money. But now you have deductible of $1,625, and now you're saving up to get $2,500. So you move to the Turo 90, like the one I'm on. Now you're making 90%, and that's how you do it. And that's how I make a lot of money. I'm a Turo Paro, so I make over 6 figures. You can do this. You can do better than me. This is why you come to my channel, and that's my end of year review. So if you're watching this at the end of the year or in the beginning of the year, if it's a new year, if it's the middle of the year, I don't care what it is, understand that process. Don't make those mistakes. Understand where you come from. And fifth, and most importantly, be freaking courteous. Be courteous. Be courteous. Be nice. Be kind. Be respectful. Like, open the door for them if they show up. Treat them like a hotel concierge service. Like they're at the best Ritz-Carlton or best hotel in the world. A 5-star review. You want a 5-star review? Give them 5-star hotel service. You do that. You do those 5 things, avoid those 5 mistakes. That's how you do it. Being disrespectful is a big mistake. Being rude, big mistake. Being lackadaisical, being really replaced from the conversation is a mistake. Do your best to be communicative and text them email them, message them, and stay in contact with them. Make them feel comfortable. That's a mistake. Those are 5 mistakes you can avoid that you can turn to 5 solutions. Like, subscribe, share. Conrad Layn out.